Hello snackers, it's Amber here with another delicious English snack for you. Have you ever felt frustrated that you couldn't describe your feelings well in English? Today we're starting a new mini-series to help you. Let's suppose you just came back from a vacation and you'd like to tell someone you had fun. How would you say it? You can simply say, I had fun, or I had a good time, but it doesn't give the listener much information. Let's go deeper and I will show you some ways to help describe your feelings better. Firstly, to enjoy. If you want to keep it general, make it reflexive. For example, I enjoyed myself on vacation. If you want to be more specific, name the thing that you enjoyed. For example, I enjoyed tasting new foods on vacation. I enjoyed swimming in the pool after sightseeing. The adjective for enjoy is enjoyable. For example, tasting new foods was enjoyable. The swimming pool was very enjoyable. My vacation was most enjoyable. Notice how we don't need an article before most enjoyable. Here are some other ways to say you had fun with example sentences. Feel free to pause if you'd like to repeat them. 1. To paint the town red, meaning to go out and have an enjoyable time, often involving a celebration. Example, when we were in Paris for my birthday, we painted the town red. 2. To have a blast, meaning to enjoy oneself greatly. Example, my family and I had a blast at the theme park. 3. To have a whale of a time, meaning to have a very enjoyable time. Example, I had a whale of a time at my friend's birthday party. 4. To get a kick out of something, meaning to experience something that makes you happy. Example, I get a kick out of learning English vocabulary. 5. To live it up, meaning to enjoy to the fullest. Example, when I was on the cruise, I lived it up. 6. To party like there's no tomorrow, meaning to celebrate without worrying about the next day. Example, when I was on my summer vacation, I partied like there was no tomorrow. 7. To have a ball, meaning to have a great time. Example, we had a ball at the summer festival. Well done! You showed up today and finished this episode. Did you get a kick out of it? I sure did. I'm looking forward to sharing another English snack with you soon. So, as always, come hungry for knowledge.